Before we get started, a quick word from our sponsor, Community Financial's President and CEO Tansley Stern podcast, Despite Impossible. Now on to the show. Studio Lounge interviews at Emerge, brought to you by Eltropy. Hey everybody, Mike Lawson here with CU Broadcast. Welcome back to our continued coverage of the 2025 Eltropy Emerge Conference here in beautiful San Francisco, California. As you can see, the Golden Gate Bridge is right behind us. The view from this hotel is amazing, Joe.
It is.
We are graced with the presence from the fine folks at REPAY, one of Eltropy's partners, Joe Eby. Is it Eby?
Yes,
right?
yep, you got it.
How are you, Joe?
I'm great.
Good.
Glad to be here.
Good. I'm glad you're here too. So share with me, well, before we talk about the partnership with Eltropy, any highlights from the conference to share? Anything stand out for you so far?
Great. This is actually our first time participating as a vendor with Eltropy. So we've had a long-standing relationship with Lexop, and once that acquisition occurred, so we're looking to do a lot of great things with Eltropy. Okay. So we thought this would be a great time to kind of kick off that partnership with them.
Good deal. And give us a quick elevator speech on REPAY. What do you guys do?
Sure. So we are a payments fintech. We're based out of Atlanta, where a lot of the other fintechs are. We're a publicly traded company founded in 2006 by two individuals that are still leading our company. We do anything and everything around payments. So we have a consumer payments division that I'm a part of, a business payments division. But what I do is I work very closely with community FIs across the country, just in and around anything that they need to do in regards to processing loan payments, share deposits. We have our own technology stack and solutions, but we do a lot of integrations with core systems, home banking platforms, collection platforms, so on and so forth. And that's really where our strength lies, in those integrations.
Okay, and so what brought you guys, what brought REPAY and Eltropy together? And how do you guys work together? Sure.
So we're still kind of developing that relationship. We're in the midst of doing some API work with them. So they're going to be able to embed our payment solution as part of a lot of their solutions. But really the way we got here was through Lexop initially. So,
and then the ultimate beneficiary are the credit unions and the community banks that are partnered up with Eltropy, right? So, and then the ultimate beneficiary are the members and the consumers out there. So,
yes. And that's the one.
Yeah, can you share how that trickles down?
Sure. And that's the one thing that we really try to promote as part of our services is more self-service payments. So making sure that member experience or that client experience in the case of community banks is great. It's seamless, it's easy, and that's really what we want to do is just make sure it's going to be a great member experience or client experience. And then obviously make things a lot seamless and easy for the employees at the credit unions and the banks as well.
Yeah, share with me the employee perspective, because sometimes those folks get left out in the conversation because we're so focused on benefiting the consumer or the member here, but share with me the benefits that the staff gets.
So they have a very similar portal that they can utilize as well, much like the members and bank clients can use as well. But we want to make sure that's easy. So if someone's having a conversation like over the phone with a member, they're trying to maybe handle a delinquency or something like that, a collections type scenario, we want to make sure that they can actually capture that payment over the phone, or even maybe send the member or the client a payment link as well. So that's embedded, very easy to use. We can do that via email or SMS text as well. But then we really focus on the reporting side of everything. So everything is done in real time as it relates to reporting. We have a very good, robust, comprehensive dashboard as well, and then a lot of other different bells and whistles that come to the employee side of things.
I think the more opportune question was, what don't you guys do? So you guys sound like you're...
So we're not into peer-to-peer or anything like that. So we're not doing the Zells of the world and things like that. It's just more being able to process payments, for those members that have FI relationships elsewhere, and just making sure that we give them every availability. So whether it's card, ACH, any of the digital wallets as well. We even have a partnership with eCash. So for those members or bank clients that want to make a loan payment via cash, they can take their cash and a QR code to over 90,000 retail locations in the United States and be able to make that loan payment by basically handing cash to a cashier.
Very cool. Very cool. Well, let's bring it back to the conference here. What do you guys hope to achieve, or what are some goals here for
So my colleague Bruce Taylor and I have had some great conversations with Eltropy folks, more on the product side, just trying to gauge and learn more about their services and solutions and how we can become a really good dedicated partner with them. So we've had those conversations. But again, just kind of getting our foot in the door with Eltropy and looking to grow that partnership.
Good stuff. Yeah. And where can folks, just to kind of wrap up here, where can folks find REPAY? Where do they go?
www.repay.com.
Easy enough?
Easy enough,
okay.
yeah.
Well, we'll put that link in the show notes so people can get right to you guys.
Okay.
And congrats on the partnership with Eltropy.
Yeah.
And thanks for being here.
Yeah.
And thanks for taking time out of your day.
Yeah, thank
Appreciate
you.
it.
Appreciate
thanks,
the time.
Joe. Well done. Bravo. Joe Eby from REPAY. Go check him out. Well done.
Studio Lounge interviews at Emerge, brought to you by Eltropy. A quick word from our sponsor, Community Financial's President CEO Tansley Stern's new podcast, Despite Impossible.